This video will review panel installation and interconnection for Daktronics PPX-1001 series displays. Begin by removing the panels from the flight case. Disengage the latches securing the top of the case, and then remove the top. Disengage the side latches and pull downward on the side door of the case to open it. Remove the panels from the case using the handles on the panel. Lay the panel flat on the ground, module side up. Next, you will set up the foot structure. Hold the panel vertically by the side handles. Remove the locking pin holding the foot structure in place. Unfold the foot structure into the downward position, then extend the stiffener. Slide the toes outward to stabilize the panel. Replace the locking pins. Note that the display angle may be adjusted by removing the locking pin and adjusting the position of the stiffener within the bracket. The bottom slot in the bracket adjusts the panel to 90 degrees. Each slot above it provides an additional 5 degrees of adjustment. Once the panel is set to the desired angle, ensure the stiffener remains in the bracket and replace the locking pin. Repeat these steps for additional panels. To interconnect multiple panels horizontally, simply align them side by side and engage the quick latches on the rear left side of each panel. Power and signal interconnect cables route between panels from left to right. Now we'll install the optional rear cover. To install the rear cover, begin by removing the foot stiffener on one side. Align the rear cover with the back of the panel, sliding it behind the bottom lip. Align the groove on the other side of the cover with the stiffener bracket. Bend in the lips on the top and bottom corners. Replace the foot stiffener and insert the pin to lock it in place.